welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kemana. What's up? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this look. I really like how it turned out. Before we get right into the video, I wanted to talk about the palette that I used for this look. I'm using the Royals palette by Bad Habit. Now, Bad Habit, it's a brand that you can find in Hush. It's an app and a website where you can find really affordable eyeshadow palettes, mostly dupes for high ends, and also skincare. This is supposed to be the dupe for the ANASTASIA Beverly Hills Motor Renaissance, and this is what the eyeshadows look like. And as you can see, it looks just like the Motor Renaissance by Anastasia. Yeah, it was only $10. I really like it, actually, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, before we start with the video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. I really appreciate that. Give me a big thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye guys. Hi guys. Okay, so as you can see, I already got one eye done in my eyebrows because it takes me forever to do that, so I decided to do it off camera. Okay, so let's get started. Today I'm going to use the Royals palette by Bad Habit. Okay, so to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and this is in the color Tang. I really do like priming my eyes with concealers. I feel like it's easier for me to blend and it doesn't crease as much. And then I'm gonna set that with my NYX finishing powder. That's gonna go on our crease. Now I'm gonna go in with Monarch, which is this color right here. I really like this color. I'm gonna go in with Grand, which is the brown that I'm not really, it's like a taupey brownish. This one right here. So now I am going to cut crease, and for that I'm using my Maybelline again. I'm gonna use this Skyly brush. Right here, I'm gonna use a stick. So I'm gonna go out with Monarch and hair. I'm gonna go back again with that brown taupey color I don't like. Fluffy brush, I'm going to dip my brush barely onto Rain. I'm going to go in with this little brush that I got a while ago, I don't remember where, and a little bit of concealer in the back of my hand. And I'm going to go in the middle. I'm going to go in with Crown right here. I'm just going to blend the outer part of the eyeshadow we just applied, so it blends nicely and it transitions nicely into the other colors we already have laid down. Now I'm going to go back in with the same brush we used to lay down the shimmer eyeshadow in the middle, and I'm going to use Queen. I'm going to go in with this NYX Candy Glitter liner. And we're just going to put this in the middle. So now I'm going to line my eyes with my liquid liner, if I can find it. And I'm gonna do that off camera because it's so hard for me to get it in frame and it takes me forever, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my eyeliner, didn't come out as perfect, but you know what? Better not leave it there. I'm gonna go in with a crown again. Okay, so now I'm going to line my upper waterline. Now I'm going to apply some falsies. I'll be right back. I'm going to start with my face. So to prime my face, I very much try my skin. I'm gonna use whatever I have left on my little itty bitty Professional but Benefit. I love this foundation, it's so good. So I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that with my favorite e.l.f. Powder Foundation. Okay, so now I am going to contour and highlight. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal True Match stick. I'm gonna blend that with my same foundation brush. I really like blending my contouring with my same foundation brush because I feel like if it's too crazy, the leftover foundation on the brush is going to just make everything blend better. I love this concealer, you guys. This is awesome. I'm going to blend that in with this Misha Professional brush I got a while ago. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face, and for that I'm gonna use my Neutrogena Mineral Powder. This is in the color Natural Beige. I'm going to stay away from my under eye because for that I have another powder. Now I'm gonna set my under eyes with my NYX powder. This is in Banana. I'm going to go in with the same brush we've been using for our crease, and I'm gonna go in with Monarch first, and I'm gonna blend that and smoke it out. Now I'm going to grab Majestic. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna go in with a black liner on my waterline. And with a pencil brush, I'm going to grab Monarch, and I'm gonna blend that. And then I'm gonna grab the same the stumpy brown that I don't like. I'm gonna try and put it on my outer. And I'm going to apply some mascara on my upper lashes to blend them with the falsies. I am going to contour my Smashbox one. I'm going to use my favorite big bronzer, which is Milani. Now with the same brush, I'm using my BH Cosmetic 10 color blush palette. I think I'm gonna go in with this two right here. I'm gonna use this color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight my face, and for that I'm gonna use the Carly Bible palette. Now I'm going to highlight my inner part of my eyes. The same, this pink one right here. So for the lips, I'm gonna use this MAC lip liner and Brulee. Now I'm gonna go in with Myth by MAC. I'm gonna go in with this Huda Beauty lip gloss. This is an angelic. This is a metallic lip gloss. I love this thing so much. Oh my child, I love you so much.